Want to fix Faceit? Something went wrong? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to competitive gaming. Let's dive in. First things first. Something went wrong on Faceit is a generic error, usually indicating a temporary issue with your browser, internet connection, or Faceit's servers. Now, the easiest fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. This removes any outdated or corrupted data that might be interfering with the Faceit website. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, and clear browse data for all time. Next, restart your web browser and your PC. Close your browser completely, restart your computer, and then reopen your browser and try accessing Faceit again. This can clear temporary software glitches. You'll also want to check your internet connection for stability. A weak or intermittent connection can cause various communication errors. Try restarting your router and modem. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily. These can sometimes interfere with Faceit's security and connection systems. Finally, check the official Faceit status page or their social media for any announcements about server maintenance or outages. If Faceit's servers are down, you'll simply have to wait. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or ensuring your browser is updated. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more competitive gaming tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.